Hello, welcome to the HR4002 Understanding People and Organisations. I just want to quickly introduce you to the module's weblearn site here, and I'm going to walk you through using it. This will be especially useful if you've not used a virtual learning environment like this before. To access the weblearn environment, you can get there from the main London Met web page. You can go into the Metronet area where you can find a link to weblearn here on the right in the quick links. Here you'll be asked to enter your username and password, and this is the same username and password you'll use for all of the university systems. Once you've entered this, you'll be able to see all the modules that you're registered for. Here you can see all the modules that I'm registered for teaching on. If we can find 4002 here, I'm making this before the 30th. You'll see this is going to go live on the 30th, which is the first day of the teaching week. Now this is going to take us firstly to the announcements page, and I've set up a welcome announcement here that you can see that's also going to refer to this introductory video. The introductory video itself I'm placing in the introduction area here. It's not here yet because I'm still making it, but here you can find a general welcome, the module booklet, and a quick link to our first online activity this week that's in a blog. You can also get to the blogs directly from a link on the left here, but here's a shortcut to the first exercise that we'd like you to do, and I'll come back to that in a minute. Firstly, I want to highlight a quick link here that takes us to a quick guide to the weekly lecture program. Clicking on here just downloads a program that will give you the weekly lecture, seminar and reading program. We also have an area here on the left called module content. At the moment you can see my view. I shall just turn that off. For you, it should be quite simple. You should just see the semester 1 and semester 2 here, and if I click on semester 1, you've got access to your lectures. In here, for instance, in lecture 1, we can see a quick guide here to what's supposed to be going on, and you'll be able to access your lecture notes in here next week. We've also got an area above this that I'll point out on meeting the tutors that are teaching on the module. Doug and Bruce are taking the lectures, but we'll have a range of tutors including me. My name is Brian Critchling. I'm the only one who seems to have survived the squashing process of the photos here, and there may be other members of staff as well teaching on this. So this is our general area. If I come back to the introductions here, you'll also find later on details of assessments and deadlines. You will be submitting online, and you'll be submitting through here, but we'll give you plenty more guidance on how that's going to work. For now, I'd just like to introduce the blog, your first online task this week. Like I said, we can get to it several ways. We often have quite a few links that will take you to places, but here, you introduce yourself blog. I'm going to go to directly from this link. You can see that the blogs for weeks 2 and 4 are here as well, but just focus on week 1 for now. So what we're asking you to do is to click on the week 1 link, where you'll find the instructions for the blog. So here we want to create a blog. We use this create blog entry button up here to actually create our own individual contribution to the blog. So tell us a little bit about who you are, your interests, what you expect to gain from this model. It'd be nice to see your picture so people can put names to faces here. When you've posted your blog, if you can comment, leave a comment for a couple of others, get some interaction going. I shall start this off. Might as well walk through it while we're here. So I'll create a blog entry. So, who is me? Let's call it. So what shall I say? Well, So I put a photo in first, you know. I can insert an image. I'm going to actually, you can browse from your own computer here. I'm going to browse for an uploaded photo I already have. So I can submit my photo in. I'll just click insert and it's going to put it straight into the file. So I just then need to type in. So hi, I'm Brian, if I can spell it right. My interest is there he is. That's how long I've been teaching. So if I think that's covered what's asked of me, I can then just post that entry here. I could attach another file to it, but I've already got my photo in there. So let's just post that up to see how that looks. Now, in the blogs, you'll be able to see that the whole string has started off. The other blogs will appear in here. You can see over here that it's now showing that I've got a blog entry in. Unfortunately, there's nobody else to post in, but if you wanted to comment on my post, this is the button here. You can enter your own comment and then add that at the end. So, put your text there. So that's given you a quick run through. At any point we can jump around to our different areas. On the left here, you've got full functionality using a back button here. So let's come back to announcements, where at the moment you're not going to be able to see what I've put in there because I've set it to go out on Monday. So I hope that's useful. Our pathway in was going to the London Metropolitan University home site, finding the Metronet, then making the weblearn link, which brings us to signing into weblearn. That should show all the modules that you're signed up to, and then you can log in to the weblearn site, find those modules and go to our site. Okay, I hope that's useful and good luck with the module. I look forward to seeing you.